Starting an accounting firm can be an exciting journey full of opportunities and challenges. If you've been thinking about it, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go through some essential steps you need to consider when setting up your accounting firm. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is nail down your business plan. This is your roadmap. It doesn't have to be a gigantic document, but it should cover key points like your target market, services offered, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Think of it as setting the stage for your business. Next, you'll want to choose the right business structure. This could be a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Each has its pros and cons, so think about what aligns best with your goals. Legalregistration.com can help you with the paperwork, making it a whole lot easier. Don't forget about licensing and insurance. Every accounting firm needs the proper licenses to operate and the right insurance to protect against liability. Check your local requirements and make sure you're covered. This step is crucial as it ensures you're operating legally and ethically. Another important step is setting up your accounting system. You're an accountant, after all. Whether you choose software or a manual system, make sure it works for you and your clients. This will be the backbone of your firm, so take your time to get it right. Location, location, location. Decide whether you'll work from home, rent an office, or set up in a co-working space. Each option has its own benefits. Working from home saves money, while an office might give you a more professional look. Consider what's best for you and your clients. Now, let's talk about marketing. You've got to let people know you're open for business. Use social media, attend networking events, and maybe even start a blog. The goal is to get your name out there and build a client base. Word of mouth is powerful, so provide excellent service, and your clients will do the talking for you. Hiring staff might be on your list too. Decide if you need to bring on extra help right away, or if you can manage solo for a while. If you do hire, look for people who share your vision and values. They'll be representing your brand after all. Finally, keep learning and adapting. The accounting world is always changing with new regulations and technologies. Stay up to date with continued education and industry news. This will keep you ahead of the game and ready to offer the best to your clients. Before we wrap up, remember, starting an accounting firm is a big step, but with the right planning and support, you can make it happen. For any legal needs, don't hesitate to visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching.